You wanna go see Jax? You wanna see Jax? Who does see Jax? You wanna see Jax? Okay, let's fucking go. That's Donna's boyfriend, so we gotta go. Me, business. I know, let's fucking do it. Let's go, fight Harvey. Yes. All right, let's put these on. These are their e-collars. It's key to life that they get their e-collars on. Boom. Dogtra gets a little love for free. So we just, and these don't freak out people. I use the vibrate, okay? So look, you just put it like this, and then listen. That's what they get. Everyone's like, oh my God, you're hurting your dog. It's a fucking vibration. Let's fucking relax. There is an option that's a little zzz, and they don't give a fuck. They're beasts. So, Donna, come. No, you're Harvey. Donna, Harvey, why do you always have to be first? Fine. Jesus, did you see the look you gave me? Check this out. Don't come eat at my house, 'cause I put the dogs right on the fucking counter. Boom. Every day. Every damn day. We put them on the counter. So, if you don't like that, then you're not a dog person. Kiss my ass. Ron would hate it, because Ron's like, oh, your phone's on the piss ground. Well, my dogs walk all over the ground. I throw them on the counter. Donna, come. Come here. We gotta put your necklace on. You're gonna go see your boyfriend. Come here. Donna, come. Good. Oof. 5 pounds of thunder. Pull that up. You ready? Do you feel like you're snazzy? You want me to do anything with your hair? Good. Make sure you look good for him. All right. Let's go. Turn this down in case I use the shock. Goes up to like 80. I keep it at 6, just in case you guys are wondering how bad I whip their ass. It's not a big deal. Let's go. Got that. I always like run through a list in my head of shit I might need, and I'm like, oh, you see, this isn't something I don't usually do. Let's try this. Fuck off. Like, there's 4. Do I really need like the distribution center of it? I don't think so. Okay. 1 for now. 3 for later. This way. All right, let's go. Okay, here we go. Yeah, kick Harvey's ass. Sit. Sit. Hey, sit down. Wait. No, wait. Okay, come on. You gotta make him wait. These floors, dude, look at this shit. What kind of a... What am I dealing with here, Todd? It's not the kind of cleanliness I need. If anyone's looking for me, I'm 3034. You ever notice like people do that? They're like blurring their license plate, blurring their... I'm gonna show up my house. Come on over. Do anything stupid. Got gun. Come. Believe it or not, they can't jump up here. It's crazy, right? Who knew? Oh. Good boy. Harvey knows to get on the console. She fiddle fucks around from there. I don't know. Alright, let's get him. I'm gonna go get a second. I'm gonna drive. I don't really trust Todd to drive this, to be honest. Good song. Started that today. Look at this fucking clearance. So my truck is 7 feet tall. My garage is 7 feet 2 inches tall. It can be tricky. I'm on the 3rd floor. We gotta do a little spinorama. Alright, so I live here. okay? Todd just texted me. He's right next to me. Crazy. It's a picture. Right over there, Scottsdale Quarter. This is where I get burgers and all sorts of good stuff. Those are condos that you're looking at. Go to the right a little further. That's Scottsdale Quarter. So I can walk over, grab whatever I need. I got Cheesecake Factory, I got Chipotle, I got Five Guys, I got Dog House, I got steak houses. It's a fucking emotional place to live. And I take the dogs. And I know you guys probably find this hard to imagine, but people give us a little attention with me and the dog. I think because we're all three such beasts. It's not because I'm big and they're small, but people think it's weird. I don't think. And I got my mountains. Look at my mountains. I love my little mountains. There, see them? See them? Boom. B-roll. Hello, random cactus in the middle of the fucking road. You never know. So, we are heading over to Evian's house. She just had double knee replacement surgery 11 days ago. So we go over, grab Jax. She can't be taking him out to pee and stuff because if he pulls, not good. He's a good dog. He walks well. He doesn't pull very often, but if he did, at 76 pounds, it would be problematic. Donna wants in for her close-up. Oh, she's looking good. Harvey's just showing you his best angle, just like his daddy's best from the back. He's got a better looking face than me, but that has nothing to do with nothing. Alright, so we're gonna head over here. We're gonna grab Jackson. We'll walk all three of them. Hopefully these two will drop a scrump themselves. We pick it up because we're not filthy people. We check, see if Evie needs anything, and then we're gonna go back. We gotta make some steaks, some rice, some emotion. Meal 2, then leg day. Dudes. Donna, Harvey. Where's Jackson? Want to get Jax? Let's go. Have a key. Jackson! What's up, dude? Yeah. Come on, buddy.
Alright, Jax.
Go to the TV, Dad.
No, Donna. Donna.
All right, so we had to, it's been craziness. 3 dogs, broken. It's hard to explain, but I'm telling you, these knees are fucking broken.
That's my nurse.
I was the nurse. Look at this shit. That's a freshly replaced knee. 2 of them. We're not gonna make her show them both, but that's real life. So, it's been a bit crazy. Yesterday was her first day back at the gym. Today's gonna be day number 2. She's already back working. And this is part of day in the life. Had you been here a week ago, there would have been craziness. I brought my entire life and dumped it in the house. People were sending flowers all the time. I'm like, man, this chick knows every dude in town. They all did undercover fucking names, like female names. I see what they're doing. But anyways, it was craziness. But she's better now, so I told her, listen, you got 14 days. After that, got shit to do. So that's it. At 11 days, she decided she was gonna jump in. The walking, not the fastest. I think it's cardiovascular conditioning. She's not quite as peeled as me. I mean, I'm pretty much Lance Armstrong, and that's probably a big part of it. But the dogs love it because they're here with Jackson. Look at Jackson. Jackson. Harvey.
Jax.
Look at them. Happy dogs. Anyways, so we're gonna go back and cook. Donna. Everyone knows you're a badass. Anyways, we're gonna go cook. Then we're gonna come back, get her, head to the gym, train, then delivery. I gotta help with deliveries because her car took a shit also on the weekend. So we're gonna deliver, lots to do. We're gonna go to AJ's and eat. We'll see you guys in a minute. Nice technique, good stance. You'd think this is all of it, but no, he holds some for some reason. Psychopath. He's like 6 times. Donna, come. Donna. Donna. Really? In the bush? Every time. This is my life. My life in a nutshell. Jesus. Let's go. He has not been to K9 games yet. Harvey, come. One time. That's all I gotta ask. That's the key. You can tell. I've been his dog walker for a week now. Now it's coming. Here it comes. Oh, no, just piss. Look at that though. That's how much he saved. He's not done yet. Come on. Harv. Do you want Todd to hold you now, Jax? He likes Todd better, let's be honest. Back in the damn pool. We can't go swimming, buddy. We can't go swimming today. It's cold. Maybe later. He fucking loves the pool. It's a big sign that says you can't have dogs. See? But for some reason he wants to go in. Look at those eyes. How do I say no to that? Donna, what you got? Oh, go get it, Harvey. Jackson, come.